Hi, Sarah Campagna here from Salt and Fire Spellworks Courses in Personal Magic. I haven't been here in person for quite some time, but it's time to do so because in less than a month, my first new course is going to drop, and I want to let you know what to expect and get you as excited as I am about starting. So I'm going to record a few little videos here. The first one, this one is going to be just the nuts and bolts of what is the timing of the course, how is it delivered, how do you get charged, things like that. The next one is going to be about what's actually in the course. And then I hope to do one about my philosophy as well. So if you don't want to wait for that, there's a couple of things you can do. There are two links associated with this video when I get it finished. One of them is a link to a free download. It is my flexible ritual framework, which you can download and use anytime you like. Also attached to that document is one of the methods I use for raising power, some of the terms I use, and a little bit about my philosophy. So, and also you'll sort of find about the voice with which I write, which is not super formal. So I'll give you an idea if you think you would like the course. The other link that I'm going to put down there is to the actual course page of my website, and that will list the actual things you get every month in the course. There's a little bit of an FAQ, a little bit of an about me there, and then of course you'll be on the website so you can dig around and find more information if you like. So moving forward, what this video is about is how the course itself over time is structured. So each month's course is freestanding. Each one runs from new moon to new moon, a full lunar cycle, and your course will be delivered to you on the preceding full moon so that you have 2 weeks to prepare if you happen to want to launch right in on the first day of the lunar cycle, get supplies and make your plan and that sort of thing. It's not required that you start on the first day of the lunar cycle, but you'll be ready if that's what you want to do. So what I mean by freestanding is this. Sometimes you'll sign up for a course and you have to take block 1, block 2, block 3. And if you started on the week that they're doing block 3, you've missed 1 and 2 and you're behind. That's not how this works. It's much like a magazine subscription. So if you were to subscribe to a magazine in September, you would get the September issue and it would be perfectly fine by itself. You wouldn't look at it and go, oh, I can't use this. I don't have July and August. So it's not like that. The other thing different from many memberships that I have joined is if you join in September, you don't get access to the material from July and August either. So again, just like a magazine, freestanding, seasonal, and you don't get the stuff from before and you're not missing anything. Okay, so I hope that's clear. If it's not, please feel free to ask me a question. You can do that on my website on the contact page. You can comment on this video. I don't walk around with my phone stuck to my face, so it might take me up to 48 hours to answer you, but I will get your message and I'll get back to you. So some of the other things, again, it's delivered the full moon before the cycle it starts. That delivery will happen in an email. The email will have some information about that month's course, what I've chosen to do and why. And then there will be a link, and the link will take you to a place where all of the PDF files for the course will unzip. Now, a little piece of information, your settings on your computer determine whether they get automatically downloaded or not. That's a new Adobe thing. So if you forget to download them, click the little download button, which I've done many times. Don't worry about it. You can always go back to that link. Also, if you download them and can't figure out where they went, something I do even more often than the previous thing, you can always download them again. As long as Google Drive is alive, you will have access to this information and can download it as many times as you like. And of course, you can always print it, put it in a book if you like. That's what I would suggest. But some people like to look at things online, and of course, you can travel with it that way. I think the last thing to explain about the nuts and bolts bit is the charging. So the first course doesn't drop until June 4th of 2023. Right now it's May 5th of 2023. If you were to subscribe now, you don't get charged for an entire month. So you'll actually have a course in your hand before you get charged. The course at the moment, the founder's rate is $25 a month. I will be adding things to the course eventually, and the price might go up, but as long as you maintain your subscription, you will maintain this price that you subscribed at for as long as you have a continuous subscription. I think that was all the things that I wanted to cover in this video. Again, you can get some more information at the links below, and I'm going to record another video right now about what's actually inside the course. Thanks for your attention. I hope that you'll join me for the course. It's going to be a lot of fun. if you look at the preview that I offered for you to download, I'm not real serious. So we'll have a good time, I promise.